Hi, boys and girls. Please put your name at the top of your paper. Okay, so this week our strategy is doubles plus 1. So doubles plus 1 are when you see two numbers that are neighbors on the number line. We think of the doubles answer for the smaller number, and then we just add 1 and to get our answer to doubles plus 1. So our first ladybug is showing us the doubles of 2 plus 2. So the doubles answer for 2 plus 2 is 4. So what's 1 more than 4? 5. And that's the answer to the doubles plus 1. So our next ladybug has 6 plus 6. So I want you to think about what the answer to 6 plus 6 is. We should be able to know this one pretty easy. It's 12. So 1 more than 12 is 13. Our next doubles is 5 plus 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So when I see 5 and 6 on the number line, those are neighbors. I'm going to just do 1 more than 10, which the answer is 11. Okay, boys and girls, next ladybug is 4 plus 4. What is the answer to 4 plus 4? 8. So 1 more is 9. All right, boys and girls, now we're getting into a little bit bigger number, 7 plus 7. The answer to 7 plus 7 is what? 14. So 1 more is 15. And our last doubles and doubles plus 1 is 3 plus 3. So 3 plus 3 is going to equal 6. So 1 more than 6 is 7. All right, over on the back side, and we have number line, and I'm going to help you solve a couple of the problems, and then I want you to solve the rest on your own, because when you solve them on your own, that's when you really practice and see if you're able to do the adding by yourself. So on the first one, we have 7 plus 2. So the add-ins are 7 and 2, and the bigger number is 7. So draw a circle around 7. Find 7 on your number line, and then add 2. 1, 2. So the answer is going to be 9. The next one is 4 plus 2. So I'm going to circle 4, find it on the number line, and then I'm going to count up 2. 1, 2. So the answer is 6. Now there are 8 more problems, and I want you to try them on your own. Don't turn your paper into your teacher until they're finished. And if you need some help, you just raise your hand. Good job, boys and girls.